Hello dear traders, I'm Annika Sartkina. Welcome back to Insta TV. Despite the lack of crucial fundamental releases scheduled for Monday, the currency market has witnessed a bout of volatility in the pound-dollar pair. The resignation of a senior member of the UK government has triggered massive sell-offs in the British pound. Besides, the cable is currently under pressure as market players are looking ahead to the February inflation figures slated for release tomorrow. Most economists anticipate an acceleration in the country's consumer price growth. In January, the UK's annual inflation sped up to 0.3% from 0.2% printed in December. A number of analysts predict that the February reading will mark an increase to 0.4%. On a month-over-month basis, the market expects a similar dynamic to unfold, with the projected consumer price gain of 0.4% after a 0.8% drop seen in the previous reporting period. Despite the pound's broad weakness against its US counterpart, the cable is still trading close to its highs logged on Friday. Currency strategists are convinced that the present market setup is bound to be short-lived, projecting the pair to resume its bearish trend tomorrow after the inflation report is released.
In the United Kingdom, inflation is expected to print a slight uptick, which will undoubtedly encourage the British pound to gain some footing. At the same time, however, there are certain fears related to slower retail sales growth that may have a negative impact by the end of the week. Therefore, the pound is likely to advance to 1.45 first and then slide to 1.4375 through the week.
The British currency is already approaching the forecast levels as traders are still trying to sort out the latest developments on the country's political arena. The UK's Secretary of State for Work and Pensions and former leader of the Conservative Party, Ian Duncan Smith, announced his resignation from the cabinet on Friday afternoon. Before resigning, the official made a number of comments sharply criticising the British government. In particular, he condemned the recent substantial reductions in social welfare benefits for disabled people, along with tax cuts for richer households. The former minister was quoted as saying that the Conservative government was losing its direction. Nevertheless, today's market turmoil is most likely to come to an end as soon as tomorrow after the February inflation data is released. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye.